Hey, I'm Madison. I'm a Parks and Rec major at WCU, and today we'll be conducting an experiment that investigates the benefits that nature has on both physical and mental health. We have tested resting heart rate, blood pressure, and overall happiness scores in order to assess our physical and mental health before going on our walk. In my experiment today will be Hannah, Amber, Corinda, and our trusty sidekick, Bailey.
I'm gonna put 4.
All right, Rose. So I need you to go through this. So in the past day, so today, I need you to fill this out. So for each one, I left or I felt miserable or unhappy. Is that true? Sometimes true today or not true? And then you, for the day, today. And you mark which one fits, okay? And you do that for each of these.
Can I check?
Yeah, you check mark which one it is.
Sometimes. I hate this because these show me outside. Does this one?
I need you to pick which smiley face represents how you're feeling right now.
But is this one my?
This is the most happy you could be. That's the feeling the worst you could feel. Well, whatever your gut is telling you, pick which one, and then that's all you have to do for that test. And then after, you'll fill out the bottom one, but that's not until after, okay? Okay, well, I'll make sure that's right. Okay, that looks good that way. Refill out each survey and questionnaire so that we can assess the difference from before and after our walkout.